Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to clear Gmail account. Friends, if you want to clear your Gmail account to free up some storage space, then you can delete unwanted emails which we normally don't open in our Gmail account. Like here you can see I have tons of emails which I receive, but I don't open these useless emails. So to filter all these type of emails, you simply need to type in search is, now add colon unread. Now press enter. Now it will filter all the unread emails in your Gmail account, and you can very easily delete these emails by clicking in the box, and it will select all the emails, and after selecting you need to click on delete. Like this you can repeatedly select and delete page by page. So friends, like this you can very easily clear your Gmail account. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.